Good morning to all of you. Hope you all are well. Today we will start with lesson 6 of the first flight book, that is the 100 Dresses part 2. In this chapter we have one more character besides Wanda, Peggy, Maddie and Miss Mason. The new character is Mr. Petronsky, Wanda's father. He had written a letter to Miss Mason stating Wanda's absence in the school. All the students were there in the classroom praising Wanda's art of the 100 dresses. Suddenly a note comes to Miss Mason from the principal. They were asked to assemble somewhere and Miss Mason was supposed to read the letter to the students. Miss Mason, she read the letter in which Wanda's father had informed about Wanda's absence and informed that she was leaving the school because she was fed up of all the bullying that was going on. He also informed that his family was going to settle down in a big city where nobody would consider them funny and make fun of their names. Miss Mason understood what was going on in the class. So she told the students not to hurt anybody's feelings and to take care of this matter. She did not blame anyone because Wanda's father also did not blame anybody. After Miss Mason left the class, all the students were ashamed of their behavior towards Wanda. Maddie and Peggy, the two who used to tease Wanda, felt the most ashamed of themselves. They were also feeling guilty. Maddie was upset even though she had not teased Wanda directly, but then also she wanted to repent. So they decided to go to Wanda's house and ask for her forgiveness. After school, Maddie and Peggy, they both go to Wanda's house at Boggins Heights. The house was having a worn down look, even though it was clean. It just represented Wanda's blue dress. Though it was shabby, but it was clean. None of the members of the house were present there, so they could not meet Wanda. Maddie was very upset and felt she would never get a chance to express her gratitude to Wanda. The next thing what they do is, they decide to write a letter, a friendly letter to Wanda. So, Maddie and Peggy, they wrote a letter in which they wrote about their feelings, their guilt, and asked for Wanda's forgiveness. They also mentioned the results of the drawing competition. Now at this point of time, Maddie decided that she was not supposed, she will not anymore support Peggy for whatever she does, and she will never give a chance to her to bully others, even though she might lose the friendship of Peggy. But Peggy, on the other hand, even though she was guilty, she was feeling ashamed, But she felt that she did not do any harm to Wanda. In fact, she believed that if she would have not teased Wanda regarding her dresses, then she may not have got the idea of drawing 100 dresses and winning the contest. She feels that Wanda had taken it otherwise. Now, many months have passed and they are waiting for Wanda's reply. After some months, Wanda's reply comes. The letter was addressed to Miss Mason, in which Wanda has written that she has taken admission in another school, but she misses her old school and her teacher. She informed Miss Mason to give the green dress to Peggy and the blue dress drawing to Maddie. Maddie took the drawing of the blue dress and she pinned it up in her room's wall, and she looked at it every day. She could see her face in that dress. Then again she ran to Peggy's house and looked at the green dress to see whether they can see Peggy's face in it. Both of them were feeling very ashamed of themselves. In fact, Maddie started crying, remembering all the insulting words which she had passed for Wanda. At this situation, Peggy is strong enough. She consoles Maddie not to cry, and they do believe that Wanda has forgiven them, but they never can meet each other. So the message which we get is, we must not at all behave rudely with others, and also don't make fun of anybody, because it might hurt them, it might hurt their feelings. Read the chapter, and next day I will give you some question answers regarding both the chapters. And before this also, I had given you 2 worksheets in grammar, integrated grammar. One was of omission and the other one was of editing. Do practice such questions. More worksheets I will give you afterwards, and keep studying. Stay safe. Goodbye.